Hi there, we're still working on your Theory Time Book 1, Lesson 10. But now we're on page 30 and we're starting to mix things up a bit. We're looking at a variety of types of notes in the same measure. So you turn to page 30 in your book. Let's take a look at it. By now, you should kind of understand what we're doing. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be writing in the counts underneath the notes inside the measure, and then we're going to be clapping the measure aloud and counting aloud. Then we're going to be playing it on your piano. Don't skip those important parts of clapping aloud and playing while you count aloud. Okay, so the beginning says question number 7. It says the staff below is divided into measures. Remember, a measure is that section of music. Bar lines divide our music into measures, so it helps organize our music. Okay, A says below each quarter note write a 1. Okay, so we can just go and write ones below every quarter note if we want to go ahead and do that A part. 1, 1, 1. Later, we'll change things up a bit. We're going to do this a little bit differently later on. Below each half note, write 1, 2. 1, 2. You can put that dash in there if you prefer. It says below each dotted half note, write 1, 2, 3. So write 1, 2, 3. And we can write in the little dash if you prefer. The dashes are not required. Part D says clap and count the rhythm aloud. Okay, so I'm going to do this for you. Listen to me, then you can pause the video and clap and count it yourself. 1, ready, watch. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1. Why don't you try it with me? Get your clapping hands ready and you count aloud with me. 1, ready, try. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1. Super easy. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pick any note on the piano. I'm going to pick middle C. So if you know how to find middle C, then you can do it along with me on middle C, or you can pick any note that you want. Same thing we did clapping, but we're going to play a note instead. When we get to those white notes, we're going to hold the note down. Here we go. 1, ready, count. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Makes sense? Super easy. Okay, you should know what to do now for number 8 and for number 9. Okay, we're going to be having 1, 1, 1 for the quarter notes. The half notes are going to be saying 1, 2. There's another 1, and there's another 1. We have a dotted half note that's going to be 1, 2, 3, and so on, and then a whole note for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you know what to do for the rest of the page. Go ahead and finish up this page and don't skip the clapping and talking aloud for your counts and playing a note on the piano and counting aloud while you play on the piano. Have fun with this. Theory makes you a magnificent musician. Have fun with your theory as you finish up page 30.